Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you being here. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button, like button, bell, and all of that stuff. Listen, I want to put out a basic public service message here. And I know I'm just some random dude on the internet. Why should you listen to me, right? When there's a whole bunch of other random people out there that you could listen to. But I'm telling you not to do something here, all right? I'm trying to put out a public service announcement. If you are looking into making money online, whatever you're looking into doing, whether it be affiliate marketing, digital marketing, which is what I do, or not, please, for the love of God, stop buying the courses online. They don't teach you anything. You're going to spend your hundreds of dollars on these courses. Let me tell you, I've done this. I fell for this years ago, and I bought the whole $7 course thing. We've all seen that. And then, now it's a $600 course because it went over so huge. But don't buy it, because here's what it's going to show you. It's going to show you how to set up a capture page, how to set up a sales funnel, how to set up an email autoresponder. But those things are not free, and they are not included when you buy those courses. Those courses are only going to show you what those things are and how to use them, all right? They're not actually setting them up for you. So when you purchase this course, it's going to make it seem like that is an insanely possible task to set those things up, and that's how they get you. Then it's going to tell you to join their coaching program, and they'll walk you through one-on-one how to set those things up. Their coaching program is going to cost another couple $100. All right. So all in, when you buy one of those courses, you could get into spending thousands of dollars if you purchase their, one-on-one coaching program, and then their email list, and then their free Discord that you have to pay to join, and all of that crap. Just stop doing it. I bet I talk to at least 10 people every single week that fell for that whole course thing. Luckily, those people didn't give up and kept looking for ways to make money online. They found me, and now a lot of them have joined my team and are successful at digital marketing. They went there. You see that right back there? GrabThisLink.com. That's what I do, is digital marketing. All right. I am affiliated with an actual, real, legit company. I'm not just some rando dude on the internet out there saying, hey, give me payment information, right? Not happening here at all. I don't want your personal information. I don't want your payment information. I don't get it. Even if you decide to join me, I don't get it. All I do is I send you there. Right there, GrabThisLink.com. So if you can do this, go here. If you can do that, you can make money online with the system that I use. And the best part is, it's only going to cost you 25 bucks to get free capture pages that are already set up for you, free email responding, which is already set up for you, free sales funnels, which are already set up for you. You're going to get all of that included when you join me through the funnel team with myEcon. You can join myEcon through another service, through another team, but you're not going to get the 100% completely free front-end marketing system that comes along with joining through me, right? You're going to get access to 1,000 pieces of content. You're going to get access to over $11,000 in free marketing materials. You're going to get access to if you join through me. This is sponsored through the funnel team. This is no extra cost once you join. No, nothing like that. 25 bucks, and that is it. That is all you have to come out of pocket. What I want you to do is check this out. Don't just write this off as another, run-of-the-mill, they're trying to get my money system. That's not how it works. This comes with a guarantee that you will make money with this system. You actually have a completely 100% guaranteed money-back guarantee from myEcon, the actual financial company that does have ties to the FTC and the IRS. So it's an actual real legit company. But you need to check this out. Don't just write it off. Go to GrabThisLink.com. And once you're there, you can put in your name, phone, and email. You can watch an overview video that I made. So you will know every single thing. If you watch that video through to the end, you're going to know everything there is to know about the system, everything up front. You're not going to get signed up and then have to pay more money. So you need to check this out. Don't just write it off. Go to GrabThisLink.com, fill out those fields. You'll get my personal contact info. It's actually right here at the top as well. You can email, text, call, whatever you want to do. But go there, check it out. Don't write it off. I'm telling you, don't buy that course. If you want to make money online for real, and you can do this, you can make money. I'm telling you, check it out. If you have any questions, there it is. Hit that subscribe button. See you out there.